What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to continue working on my friend's 87 C10 Silverado here. What we're going to do on this video is we're going to fix the elevators for the windows. I think those are the window regulators. He bought a new set of those. We're going to open up both doors and replace those regulators, because as you guys know, these trucks, they struggle with the windows going up or down. It takes forever to bring it all the way up or down. So he's got a new set of those regulators. We're gonna work on those. We're gonna open up the doors. And first of all, we're gonna take the panels off, and they're a little scuffed up. So he's gonna go ahead and give them another coat of paint. And once we're done with the elevators, those panels should look really good on those doors. So that's what we're gonna focus on. Remember, we're just a few days away from Dino's Get Down 2025. We're gonna be taking this truck. We're gonna be rolling out. There's actually a few of us, maybe 5 trucks. We're gonna be rolling out together. So hopefully by Saturday morning, we have everything buttoned up and ready to go. All right, enough said. Let's get busy working on those doors. All right, guys, as you guys can see, take a look at this. This is really, it goes down really slow. It's not that bad, but at the same time, it's supposed to be a lot faster than this. Going up takes forever. You know, it's the problem. All these C10s, all the problems they have. I've had a few of them, and they're all the same. The other side is a little slower than this. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put you on time lapse. I'm gonna remove all this. Once we get to the elevator or the motor, then we're gonna test everything out and see what the problem is. So for now, stay tuned. I'm gonna put you on the time lapse. We're gonna remove all this. Okay, as you guys saw in the last time lapse there, I removed the panel. It's on the table. My friend, he's getting ready to start painting a little bit of the column there, because it needs a little bit of paint. So while he's prepping that up, I'm gonna continue working on this. To remove the motor and all the assembly here, you need to lose these two right here. Take these 2 nuts off, and then these 2 hold the visor here, the little vent. That way the glass comes out of the rail there. So we're gonna take these, take these two off, and I believe we need to take these 2 right here. Once all that comes out, then I'm gonna be able to slide the window all the way out, and that's how we're gonna be sliding the new one on to the door. All right, so let's go ahead and start removing all these bolts. right, guys, so here is the old motor, the window motor here. I think this is the original. Same thing as this is the original elevator here. So I think this is gonna be the problem. Not so much this, but I think the motor. But might as well. We have the whole assembly for both sides. We're gonna go ahead and install it. Let me show you what we have. All right, so this is the new assembly. This is for the passenger side. This is for the passenger side, and we have the other one for the driver's side. With this, everything should work as it should. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all this installed. Once I'm done installing everything, I will show you the after. Okay, so let's get busy because we still have the other side to do. All right, guys, here's a quick update. My friend here, he's already on the second panel. This is the driver's side. He's doing an okay job. I had to give him a few tips how to use that, but he's doing okay. All right, so moving on to just kidding, he's doing great. All right, so moving on to the truck. It's done. The elevators, the motors, the window regulators and the motors are installed. I already tried them out and they work perfect. They fit perfect. This is the panel. This is the passenger side panel. As you can see, it looks super clean, super new. He already bought the lock switch and the window switch right here. So those two are new. That way we don't have any problems. I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed. And same thing on the other side. As you can see on the other side, I did the same thing. That works really well. It's really fast. Once we're done with all this, I'm gonna give you another update to show you how fast these windows go up and down now compared to when we started. All right, so right now while he's finishing up that one, I'm putting this one on and then moving on to the driver's side. And we're gonna call it a night because it's late, we gotta go to work. But first, we're gonna give you an update once it's all completed. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are done. We just finished doing both doors, both panels. We completed the interior of the truck and it's looking really nice. So we accomplished what we were gonna do. So the truck is now officially ready for the show. It's gonna be this weekend, November 15th. So I'm gonna show you the difference between the then and now, all right? All right, so check this out. This is, if you guys remember, the way the windows used to go up and down, look at it now. It's a lot faster than before, that's for sure. Perfect, the locks and everything work perfectly. Look at that. Yeah, what a difference. And then the locks, they work amazing. Before it was just lacking a little bit. So the other side is the same thing. Remember this side? It was really, this one here wasn't even working, the passenger side, the driver's side. And look at it now. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Look at the other side. Nice. So now the truck is ready to go. All we're gonna do now is just give it a good wash tomorrow and get it ready for the weekend. All right. So with that said, guys, thank you guys for watching the show. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. And don't forget, there's gonna be more videos about this show coming up. All right. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you guys, and thank you for subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.